If your Chevy Traverse backup camera and radio are both acting up, you are likely dealing with a shared electrical link. Statistically, 80% of these black screen issues are caused by simple electrical faults rather than a failed head unit. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to isolate the problem. Start by performing a hard reset, then check your fuse box for any blown circuits that protect the infotainment system. When both systems fail, look for a blown fuse, a bad ground wire, or a loose video signal cable behind the screen. If the basics check out, you might be dealing with a faulty body control module or corrupted internal software. You can handle the fuses and battery resets yourself, but leave the module programming to a professional technician. Most repairs are inexpensive, but identifying a bad module will definitely drive up your total service costs. Use a multimeter to check for power at the head unit and scan for communication codes to pinpoint the electrical break. To perform these tests, you will need a basic multimeter, nylon trim tools, and a capable OBD-I scanner. Remember, always work slowly when removing interior trim pieces to avoid snapping the plastic clips. Start with the simple electrical checks, and you will likely have your music and camera back in no time.